Your car interior goes through a lot. Dusty dashboards, stained seats, sticky cup holders, and crumbs everywhere. But the good news is, you don't need to spend money on expensive detailing services. These 10 simple and practical interior cleaning hacks actually work, and they'll leave your cabin looking clean, smelling fresh, and feeling brand new. Let's go through them one by one. 1. Compressed air for tight spots. Dirt, crumbs, and dust love to hide between buttons, in seat rails, and around air vents. A can of compressed air can blast them out easily. Short bursts help push debris out of areas that a vacuum or brush can't reach. It's quick and surprisingly satisfying. 2. Baby wipes for door panels. Door panels collect smudges, fingerprints, and grime. Fragrance-free baby wipes are a gentle and effective way to clean these plastic surfaces. They're perfect for the areas around door handles and armrests where dirt tends to build up. 3. Coffee filter for dusting. Most people wouldn't think of using a coffee filter for cleaning, but they're actually great dusters. Their soft, lint-free texture makes them ideal for dashboards, center consoles, and trim. They grab onto dust without scratching or leaving residue behind. 4. Lint roller on seats and floor mats. If you have pets or kids, your seats are probably full of crumbs and hair. A simple lint roller is perfect for picking up loose debris from cloth seats, carpets, and even your trunk area. Keep one in your glove box for quick touch-ups. 5. Magic eraser for scuff marks. Plastic panels often get scuffed by shoes, bags, or belts. A damp magic eraser can remove these marks gently. Just be careful. Apply light pressure and test a small area first to avoid dulling the surface. 6. Rubbing alcohol for touchscreens. Your infotainment screen collects fingerprints fast. Mix equal parts rubbing alcohol and water, spray lightly on a microfiber cloth, and wipe gently. It cleans, disinfects, and doesn't leave streaks. Avoid spraying directly onto the screen. 7. Old sock for AC vents. Dust loves to sit deep inside your air vents. Take an old sock, slip it over a butter knife or slim ruler, spray with an all-purpose cleaner, and run it through the vents. It gets deep into the slats without causing any damage. 8. Baking soda under the seats. Smells from food, pets, or damp clothing can linger for weeks. A small, open container of baking soda placed under the seat absorbs bad odors naturally over time. It's a low-effort way to keep your car smelling fresh. 9. Q-tips for small crevices. Gear shifts, buttons, logos, and corners often hold hidden dirt. Dip a Q-tip in a mild cleaning solution and use it to reach tiny crevices that cloths can't get into. It's a detailer's trick that works wonders on your interior. 10. DIY air freshener. Want a natural scent for your car? Take a wooden clothespin, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and clip it to one of your air vents. As the air flows, the scent spreads through the cabin, no synthetic sprays needed. Final thoughts. You don't need fancy tools or professional help to keep your car interior clean. These 10 simple hacks are easy to use, budget-friendly, and actually make a difference. A clean car interior doesn't just look good, it makes every drive more enjoyable. If you want a video on an interesting topic, let me know in the comments and I will make the next video for you.